All right, this is the elevator at the Holiday Inn, St. Augustine Historic District. And it's a Mowrey. This is interesting. Opens up on this side. Like those fixtures. Let's get a cab view. It's got an interesting layout. The guest floor is open on this side, but the lobby's on this side. And it's decently fast for a hydro. Lantern, I think, is broken. There's the certificate. I like that scrolling indicator as well. And it's got a 2,500 pound capacity. There's a phone. Y'all come down?
Yes. Thank you.
No problem.
Well, my mail lady wears a hat like this.
Oh, does she?
And since I cut my hair, I'm worried about the back of my neck getting sunburned. So I talked to another lady that I meet on my walk. She said Amazon.
And there it goes. That'll be it.